Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshna at 2.4A on Twitter. We'd like for you to please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we're taking a look at the myCharge Hub Mini. It's a portable charger, and there's a lot of these smaller portable chargers out there, but there's three unique things about this battery and charger they would like to go over with you. Is that they have two integrated cables. So this is a lightning cable for your iPhone or iPad, and then this is a micro USB for everything else. You can also put adapters on this to make it USB Type-C, but what we like thirdly about this battery is that it has a fast 2.4 amp charging capability out of each of the cables. Now you can only use one at a time for 2.4, but that means you can charge an iPad with this at its normal speed, and then you charge it via micro USB here, and then this input port is also 2.4 amp. So if you have a higher end charging adapter, you can plug it into this and make it charged up even quicker. This is 3350 milliamp, has an aluminum body, and it's quite small. You can just hook it in to a pocket, a bag, or really anything else that's small. You can slip it in a side pocket. And here's some more details about the Hub Mini. So we liked using this during CES, and we want to thank myCharge for letting us use one and to unbox it. All right, thanks very much. This is Chris Roshna, 2.4K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.